Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta, and if you guys are new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's the red button down there. Don't forget to click it. And if you guys are already subscribed to my channel, then first of all, I would like to thank you so much for making it possible for me and let this channel grow, because this is so huge and insane. Like literally, we have reached 3,000 subscribers, and I am so happy. Like, you guys have been so lovely and so supportive, and I love you all so much. And yeah, I just wanted to thank you all so much before starting up for this video. So yeah, let's get started. So today's video is gonna be about two super easy hairstyles for medium to long hair. So this lovely girl Neha requested this video, and she wanted me to do some super easy hairstyles using hair clips and hair ties only. So I just wanted to make this video very easy yet bit different. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching, and yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. And if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe me, and leave a lovely comment down below. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
Start off by making a puff, and if you guys want to know how to make a puff perfectly, I will mention the link right above. And then pull your hair to the either side of your head and then tie it with the help of a hair tie. And once done, tie another hair tie at a distance of about 3 to 3.5 inches from your first hair tie, like so. And then all you have to do is hold some hair from below like so, and then pull the hair tie upwards, as you guys can see. And the more you pull your hair tie to the upper side, the bigger the bulge will be created. And then tie another hair tie at a distance of about 3 to 3.5 inches again, and then pull the hair tie upwards by holding some hair from below. And if you have got longer hair, then you can tie another hair tie at a same distance of about 3 to 3.5 inches, hold some hair from below, and then pull the hair tie to upwards. And voila, this was so easy and it's done. For this hairstyle also, you need to pull your hair to the either side of your head and tie it with the help of a hair tie. And again, you have to tie a hair tie at a distance of about 3 to 3.5 inches. And all you have to do is divide this section into two equal parts and pull your rest of your hair through this loop. As you guys can see, this was very simple. And once done, all you have to do is loosen it up a little bit to give your hair more volume and required shape. And once satisfied with the shape that you actually need, you can tie another hair tie at a distance of about 3 to 3.5 inches and divide it again into two equal parts and pull the rest of the hair through this loop from back side. And you have to just repeat this process. Loosen up your hair a little bit, and once done, you can tie another hair tie if you have got longer hair. All you have to do is again divide this section into two equal parts, pull the rest of the hair through this loop, and loosen it up a little bit to give your hair more volume.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and join this lovely family, because it is huge and I'm so happy. And yeah, don't forget to leave your early suggestions, like what kind of videos you guys want me to do for you. And yeah, for example, I'm going on a vacation really soon, so if you guys want me to vlog it or something like that, so please don't forget to mention it in the comments down below. And till then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.
You